In this video, we are going to look at the top interactive smart boards available on the market today and tell you which one is best for you. We made this list based on our own opinions, research, and customer reviews. We've considered their quality, features, and values when narrowing down the best choices possible. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description box below. So here are the top 5 best interactive smart boards. The 5th product on this list is the DTEN D7. Video conferences, interactive presentations, collaborations, and class or work communications can be greatly enhanced with the addition of an interactive smart board like the DTEN D7. This all-in-one solution boasts a 55-inch touchscreen capable of displaying Ultra HD content, allowing for an immersive and engaging interactive experience. The vibrant colors and crisp images offered by the display screen provide a clear and captivating viewing experience. With its multi-touch technology, you and your team members can conveniently interact with the screen simultaneously, facilitating seamless collaboration. Not only does the D7 feature an impressive display screen, but it also integrates video conferencing capabilities, enabling remote collaboration and communication. Thanks to its wide-angle built-in camera, microphone, and speakers, you can conduct video meetings, webinars, and remote presentations directly from the smartboard. Despite its innovative features, we found this smartboard remarkably easy to operate. For example, you can initiate your Zoom meetings with a single touch, effortlessly navigate through the menu or control panel, adjust display options, and seamlessly switch between different modes. It is also compatible with a wide range of software applications and platforms, including whiteboarding tools, collaboration software, and video conferencing platforms. This provides you with numerous options to leverage your preferred software, ensuring seamless integration with your existing workflow. Furthermore, the D7 offers Wi-Fi and Ethernet connectivity options, allowing you to easily connect the smartboard and other devices. Additionally, it provides multiple ports, such as HDMI and USB, to facilitate the connection of external devices and accessories. All in all, the DTEN D7 is a game changer for video conferences, presentations, collaborations, and communication, and is an exceptional choice for maximizing productivity and enhancing the overall experience. Its pros are: it is easy to set up and has a user-friendly interface. Being compatible with various software applications makes it a versatile solution. And the display screen offers high-quality video conferencing capabilities. However, the 55-inch display may be a bit small for some users. The innovative features, high-definition display, and easy-to-use design of the DTEN D7 make it a suitable option for teachers or business owners looking for a powerful tool to improve aid, collaboration, and interactive presentations. Next up in 4th place is the AG Neovo IFP-6503. In today's rapidly changing world, finding the right tools to keep up with the pace is always a delightful experience. The AG Neovo is one such tool that seamlessly combines user-centric and hybrid-ready teaching and meeting technology, making meetings, collaborations, and digital learning a breeze. This remarkable device boasts a high-quality display with touch and multimedia capabilities, accompanied by a user-friendly interface that creates an interactive and engaging user experience. It also has a large 65-inch screen compared to the DTEN D7 and delivers content in crisp, vibrant colors with its high-resolution display. What sets it apart is its ability to support simultaneous interactions from multiple users, allowing for intuitive and collaborative touch gestures, such as pinch to zoom, swipe, and rotate. Moreover, this unit offers the convenience of using an interactive pen to directly write, draw, highlight, or annotate on the screen. In fact, up to 20 users can write or draw simultaneously with their fingers or touch pens, fostering a truly collaborative environment. Additionally, you can easily multitask by splitting the screen. Impressively, this is compatible with a variety of software applications and operating systems. It seamlessly supports Windows, Mac, and Android. If the need for screen mirroring arises, the IFP-6503 supports AirPlay, Miracast, and Chromecast mirroring from both your computer and mobile devices. Furthermore, we appreciate the high-quality audio output of this smartboard, which eliminates the need for additional speakers. Connecting your devices to this smartboard for content integration or sharing is a breeze, thanks to its various connectivity options, including HDMI, USB, DisplayPort, and VGA ports. In conclusion, the AG Neovo IFP-6503 is an exceptional tool that embraces the ever-changing landscape of today's world and is a powerful asset for meetings, collaborations, and digital learning experiences. Its pros are: it provides multiple connectivity options. It has a sturdy frame and a scratch-resistant surface that ensures its durability, and it allows multiple users to write or draw with fingers or touch pens at the same time. However, its cons are: it is heavy, so it requires professional installation, and the company does not sell the smartboard to consumers and small businesses with 50 employees or less. Being compatible with various software applications and having a multi-touch design makes the AG Neovo IFP-6503 suitable for corporate boardrooms, classrooms, training centers, and other professional settings, where interactive and engaging presentations are required. Still haven't found an interactive smartboard that meets your needs? Well, keep watching because we have more lined up for you. Meanwhile, if this is your first time visiting our channel, be sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon to receive notifications of our next videos. The third product on this list is the Soulaca Interactive Whiteboard. This next device presents yet another enticing option to elevate your meetings, classrooms, presentations, and video conferences to a whole new level of immersion. Similar to the AG Neovo, this smartboard features a 65-inch touchscreen display that serves as a versatile tool, functioning as a whiteboard, projector screen, playbox, computer, speaker, advertising player, and more. You can opt to use it independently or seamlessly connect it to your laptop through the integrated Wi-Fi connectivity option. With its cutting-edge hardware, this touchscreen offers a breathtaking display of 4K Ultra HD content, presenting vibrant colors and sharp visuals. What sets it apart is its ability to accommodate the contributions of 2 team members or students simultaneously, promoting active participation and fostering a seamless flow of ideas. This collaborative feature truly enhances the overall experience, ensuring that everyone can contribute and engage. In terms of convenience, the Soulaca Interactive Whiteboard surpasses others in its class. It comes with an included rolling stand, allowing you to effortlessly move the smartboard during your classes or meetings. This flexibility adds a new dimension to your interactive sessions, enabling you to adapt and create dynamic learning or working environments. In the realm of connectivity, this smartboard offers a range of options to suit your needs. While it leverages Wi-Fi for wireless connections, it also provides a range of supported ports. Overall, the Soulaca Interactive Whiteboard stands as an exceptional choice for transforming your meetings, classrooms, presentations, and video conferences into an unparalleled interactive experience. It comes with a rolling stand for easy transportation during class or meetings. It is backed by a 1-year warranty, and it supports up to 4 screencast devices simultaneously. Only 2 people can use the board at the same time. The Soulaca Interactive Whiteboard is well designed and recommended for teachers who want to help their students participate better in classwork. The second product on this list is the Vibe Smart Whiteboard Pro. This device will instantly improve your collaborative experience with its larger display screen. Boasting a generous 75-inch display, it offers ample space for content and collaboration during classes, meetings, video conferences, and more. What sets this product apart is its advanced hardware performance, featuring a 4K Ultra HD display, 128GB SSD storage, and Intel i5 CPU, which significantly enhance its capability and performance. Thanks to its seamless cloud integration, you can save and share your work directly from the board, facilitating real-time collaboration and seamless data syncing across devices. This means you and your team can effortlessly collaborate no matter where you are in the world. Operating on the Chrome operating system, similar to your PC, the Vibe Smart Whiteboard Pro offers advanced security features, ensuring your data remains protected. Much like the AG Neovo, the Vibe Pro allows multiple users to interact with the screen simultaneously. This means you and several team members can write, draw, annotate, and engage in other activities on the screen simultaneously, fostering true collaboration. Additionally, this interactive whiteboard seamlessly supports popular third-party video conferencing apps such as Zoom, Google Meet, Microsoft Teams, and WebEx. What's more, up to 4 users can share files and simultaneously stream their screens to the whiteboard, facilitating efficient collaboration and content sharing. Setting up this functionality is a breeze, plus it offers multiple connectivity options, enabling you to connect external devices, wirelessly share content, and seamlessly integrate with other devices and peripherals. Notably, this unit also comes complete with a remote control and wall mount for added convenience. So what are you waiting for? Embrace the possibilities of interactive collaboration with this remarkable smart board. Its pros are, it is very straightforward to set up. The interface is user-friendly, and it allows multiple user interactions. However, annoyingly, the included stylus pen requires a special mounting system, which you have to buy separately. The VibeSmart Whiteboard Pro is for teachers or professionals who want a powerful tool that promotes collaboration between them, their team members, or students. Before we reveal number 1, be sure to check out the description below for the newest deals on each of these items, and be sure to subscribe if you want to stay up to date on the best products on the market. Finally, the top interactive smartboard is the Samsung Flip 2. The Samsung Flip 2 stands out as the ultimate interactive whiteboard, offering the largest screen display in its class. With its vibrant colors and smooth writing surface, it faithfully replicates the feeling of writing on a traditional whiteboard. The impressive 85-inch touchscreen provides ample space for various activities, allowing you to effortlessly draw, write, annotate, or even surf the internet using either your fingers or the included stylus pen. What's more, the Flip 2 has an exceptionally user-friendly interface, ensuring seamless operation throughout your interactive sessions. The board's 4K Ultra HD quality guarantees sharp, clear, and vibrant images, providing an immersive visual experience like no other. True to Samsung's reputation, the Flip 2 boasts a sturdy and durable construction featuring a robust frame and a scratch-resistant screen. Setting up the board is a breeze, as you can choose to mount it on the wall or use a movable stand to easily reposition or relocate the board within your workspace, adding flexibility to your workflow. On top of that, the advanced setting of the Flip 2 further enhances collaboration. It allows up to 20 simultaneous touches from different users, enabling multiple participants to engage and contribute simultaneously. Moreover, the board offers versatile connection options, allowing you and your students or team members to effortlessly share content from the smartboard to your mobile devices. Additionally, you can screen mirror up to 4 devices simultaneously, fostering seamless content sharing and collaboration. One feature that we particularly enjoyed is the Flip Capture feature. This innovative function allows you to effortlessly capture, screenshot, and save the content you create on the board. You can then export it as images or PDFs, easily sharing it with others for review or further collaboration. All this means that the Samsung Flip 2 reigns supreme as the ultimate interactive whiteboard. Its expansive screen, true-to-life writing experience, user-friendly interface, and unique Flip 2 capture feature make it the pinnacle of interactive whiteboard technology. Get ready for the possibilities of seamless collaboration and innovation with the Samsung Flip 2. Its pros are, it has the high build quality you would expect from a Samsung product. The large 75-inch screen handles 20 interactions at once and acts as a canvas for collaborative work amongst your team or students. Its 4K Ultra HD quality guarantees sharp, clear, and vibrant images. And its Flip Capture feature improves workflow efficiency. However, screencasting from non-Samsung devices is almost impossible. The Samsung Flip 2 interactive smartboard is for professionals or teachers who want a versatile tool that enhances visual communication and idea sharing during meetings or classes. That's all for now. Thanks for watching. If we helped you out in any way, please hit the like and subscribe button. We'll see you guys in the next video.